Hey guys, Adam Lazy Guy DIY, and what I want to do today is do a side-by-side here of these compact and subcompact impact drivers. Mainly I want to check out this one right here, which is the DeWALT Atomic. It's a brand new line from DeWALT. It's supposed to be their compact line. Runs on the 20-volt max battery. It's supposed to be smaller and a little bit more powerful than their normal line, which would be the 20-volt max XR. So as you can see right away, there is a bit of a difference in height here, and the batteries are pretty similar. That may be where the offset is here, but the 20-volt max XR is actually shorter than the DeWALT Atomic. When you start seeing these side by side here, the 20-volt max XR on my right is a little bit bigger. It's not much. It's probably like 1/8 of an inch, but it's not so much that you notice it. But both brushless motors, both are kind of their, I would call it their entry level line as far as price point. So what we want to see is how powerful this one is compared to this one, and then how it rates to these. This is the Milwaukee Fuel brushless. This is one of their more entry level impact drivers as well. This right here is Makita's XDT 15. This is their main subcompact model. So this should be the best comparison for subcompact. As you see, it's quite a bit smaller, very low profile, brushless as well. Everything's going to be brushless motor. And then this right here is not very fair. This is Milwaukee's XDT 16. This is their newest beast. This one has quite a few settings, and it may just shear the heads off of these screws. So we'll see how this goes here. This one's just fun to see how much it drives compared to the other ones here. To make sure it's equal, we're using the same 5-pound decking screws, or 3-inch decking screws, and we're going to use the exact same drill bit here, or driver bit. It's just Makita's Gold Series, so that way we don't have to worry about cam out or anything else. So we're going to set these things up. We're going to screw some screws in, and then we'll just kind of do a comparison and see what these look like. So let's get started. So up first is the DeWALT Atomic. So there are no additional settings like there are on the 20-volt max XR. This one's just straight grab and go. So we'll get it started. Make sure we're set and drive. So a little cam out to start. Quite a bit of torque kicking it off here. That's okay though, but I mean, it did what it needed to. It drove a 3-inch screw into pressure treated 4x4. So let's set this up now for the 20-volt max XR. Get started. So to me, that one actually felt quite a bit faster. This one does have 3 settings as far as how much torque and how much speed and power you put in here. So I would expect this one to have a little bit of an advantage. But from what the information says from the Atomic, we should see quite a pickup. And I think this one was actually a little bit faster with the 20-volt max XR. So let's see what it looks like against the Milwaukee Fuel, and we'll go from there. So here's our Milwaukee Fuel. Get started. And that was lightning fast compared to both of those. So this one, once again, it has settings also, so it should be driving a little bit quicker. I should be a little closer to this one right here, especially because price point is almost identical. So that's okay. This one is smaller and faster as far as Milwaukee Fuel compared to the 20-volt max and the Atomic. So we'll put this one up next. This is the Makita subcompact here. I don't expect a lot of power from this one. I'm going to make sure I'm on the high setting. There we go. That way everything's fair. We'll get started. Oh. I say we do another one just because that one hit a knot and drove kind of funny. So we'll try one more time here. Get started. So a little bit slower. That's okay. I expected this one because this one is a true subcompact model. So that's the XDT 15. And for this guy here, this is the beast of the group, so this shouldn't be fair compared to the other ones. So we'll drive this in here and we'll get started and go. Yeah, that's lightning quick. So this is the difference also of several $100s. I think these are $200, $300 impact driver. compared to the 150 range, somewhere around there, 125, 150. So this one is quite a bit faster. One thing I will say though is when we're talking a new line, I kind of expected to see something a little bit more substantial from this, since it's DeWALT's brand new one. But there's a whole line of subcompact DeWALT Atomic coming out. I'm going to grab, this is actually the drill that comes with the Atomic line. And if you look at side by side with the 20 volt Max XR, it's quite a bit smaller. We can put them side by side here with this. You can tell, I mean, that one is substantially subcompact, so I'm fine with that. Power wise, it seems to be the same as well, but if you're going to call something subcompact, I want to see it actually be smaller than the one that's sitting right next to it from the same line, from the same company. So that's our side by side here. Make sure you like this video, leave some comments, head on over to my YouTube at Lazy Guy DIY, same thing for website, and we'll do a couple more of these head-to-heads coming up.